Here we have the Twin Peaks, Gros Piton and Petit Piton. Gros Piton right is 2,600 feet, Petit Piton 2,419 feet.
So welcome to the interpretation table. What I'm going to give you guys a brief demonstration of the stuff we've seen right here. So what I'm holding right now is called cinnamon. Here on the island we call it spice. So it comes from a tree. You skin the bark of that tree and you put it to dry, and it comes in the form you guys know it as. So if you want to make your cocoa tea, your oatmeal, this is what you use to give it a little flavor. Here on the island our grandparents would use it for blood clots. You would have a glass of that as your breakfast, your tea. That will help to stop blood clots in your system.